Climate change is causing the sea level to rise all around the globe. Ice sheets and glaciers are melting due to warmer weather, and the ocean is expanding due to the heat as well. Global mean sea level rising is mainly caused by those issues: increased water due to ice melting and thermal expansion. One place affected is Greenland. According to the National Snow and Ice Data Center, almost 80% of the country is covered by the Greenland ice sheet, and it is melting at a rapid rate, with 2020 statistics showing that 80% of the ice sheet experienced melting. All the extra water gets put into the ocean and causes sea level rise globally. People around the world need to become more sustainable, especially industries. With the ice sheets melting, it affects everyone, not just the people living near those areas. The effects of sea level rise could be catastrophic to communities near the water who experience hurricanes, flooding, and some even could experience drought. A solution would be to pass stricter legislation on how to improve the climate change crisis and impose a higher carbon tax to deter people from emitting tons of unneeded carbon into the air.